If you're a parent and you've been playing around with the Spark application that we have in Lucy's Circle, you'll see that a lot of the features are only offered to some of our premium members. You have the ability to create lists, and you'll have the ability to add a couple of items within it, but we really incentivize parents to explore the paid plan. We wish we could offer Lucy completely free for all of the parents, but in order to maintain our operations and to be able to offer this service to as many people as possible, we do invite parents to subscribe to the paid plan, which we think of a little bit as like a Costco membership. You sign up one time, and once you're inside, you have access to whatever you want within the Spark application. We're going to be exploring the plans, both the free one and the paid one, just so you can see the difference between the two of them. So here I am in an empty circle that I just created for Emma, for the Wilson family. And if I scroll down, you see that currently I'm on the free plan. It includes one circle member, so it won't have the collaboration features. It includes the basic daycare search, and you have the ability to add 3 items into your list. You also get a gigabyte of circle storage for applications, and you get the basic family records, but these won't link to your members. Let's click Explore Plans to see what the paid plan has to offer. So here we arrive at the subscriptions page to learn a little bit more about the plans, and I strongly recommend you go through this on your own and read about all the things that it has to offer. For now, we're going to scroll all the way down to see the difference between the free plan and the paid one. You see on the family plan, we have the ability to have 2 circle members, although you can actually reach out to us directly and we can expand this to 3 or 4 based on your own family preferences. And you also have unlimited for everything else. You have unlimited lists, unlimited numbers of items that you can add to the lists. You can create sections within the lists, and you can create daycare requests. Within the daycare request, you also get access to the opening matches. So you get matched to daycares based on the openings available on the platform. And then you get also advanced search filters and saved searches. You can compare side by side both the free and solo plan, feature by feature. And when you're ready to subscribe, all you have to do is click subscribe right here. You would just select the plan, select the annual term or 6-month term based on what you're willing to pay. And again, we tend to be very generous, and the 12% is a huge savings that you get on the annual basis. When you do the math, it's really only equivalent to $2 per week. So the way we think about these memberships is that we're saving you so much time, and that time that you're getting back, rather than having to do all these phone calls, send all these emails, and create your own Excel sheet, everything you can do for just $2 per week. Once you select a plan, you just do the secure checkout, and after you check out and you make the payment, you're basically set up and ready to go. Once you're on a paid plan, this is what the circle is going to look like for you. Those premium pills that you previously had are going to go away, and if I scroll down to the membership, you see that now I'm on the family plan. I can click into it, I can see all of the benefits, and either from here or from the main page, I can go to the subscription settings. We're going to cover all the different subscription settings that you have in the next video, including how you change plans, how you change terms, how you cancel a subscription, and more things like that. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us directly or leave a comment and we'll get back to you right away. Thanks so much for watching.